Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money like this every single day using the website which I'm going to show you. This website getting 1.4 million views every single month as low competitions. So if you follow the method I'm going to show you, you can make money like this every single day. Before that, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also don't forget to smash the like button on the bottom of the video. If you stick with me, I'm going to show you entire tutorial first for the June giveaway, so watch the video until the end for that. The website I am talking about is called Payhip. I already made a video about that, selling ebook on Payhip, and people asking me the tutorials and how to promote Payhip. So the promoting ebook and everything, I'm gonna make a video tomorrow on 18th June. So this is 17th June is about Payhip tutorials. Payhip is similar to Gumtree where you can sell digital and physical products, the same pattern. And if you go to the pricing section where so you can understand how much is cost to run a store. For example, you can have all the features and unlimited product and unlimited revenue for $0 per month, but they will charge 5% transaction fee for that. But if you're paying monthly fee, the transaction fee could go down. If you pay 99 per month, no transaction fee at all. But if you are selling digital and physical product in a larger quantity, then you can go with that. But for now you can go with this, because all the purpose of this video is make money online without investing any money at all. So once you understand this website, you go and create your free account here. Now once I created, this is my account is created. This is my dashboard now look like. I already added one product because I started adding new product. Before that I'm gonna make a tutorial video so you guys understand. You guys also started doing this video again. So first, before I show the entire tutorial, you have to come up with a niche idea. So you have an idea where you can what ebook gonna share and where you can get this ebook from it. Okay, so I already made a list of the hobbies that you can go with. This is one of the niche. So I went to the Wikipedia and find 100 over 200 hobbies, and from that using the Google Trend and filter out these hobbies that they're getting higher in a Google Trend, up to 20 of them. So I put the link, I'll put all the list in the description, go and check it out. So one of the topic like your blogging and computer programming is going up higher and higher on the Google Trend. So I want to get an ebook similar to blogging. So I went to IDPLR because I have the subscription with them, so I can download any ebook at the closer rate or new ebooks. But if you can't afford that, you can go to freeplrdownload.com or weeklyresellrite.com. the way you can download these ebooks. So I already download that. I don't want to go to detailed depth of our niche research. I will make another video, just as a tutorial. So this is the ebook. I can have a resell right and everything. I click this button, download. It's already downloaded in my computer. Before we uploading this ebook into the Payhip and start selling, we need to do some setting on them on the Payhip account. You need to fill out this information. First, what you have to do, click account and go to setting. It will take you to this page where you have to install fill all the relevant information. First, you need to upload a profile image. So you can go to Canva and create a file. That's my Payhip is similar to ebook, so my name for that account name for that is 99 ebook, because I'm going to sell the book for most of them for 99 cents. So I put 99 ebook. I already create this logo and download it into my computer. Now I had to, what I had to do, upload that into my account here. So download here, download section, there's my logo, and let's see how it look like. Okay, alright, it's done. Your name of the company, so this 99 ebook, you can put anything you want. You can put your name on, but it doesn't matter. Once you put this is the username gonna have appear as a subdomain for Payhip. So if you refresh that page, you can see this is my store on ebook. So it's gonna look like this. Once it's saved, my logo will appear in the first page. Now this is the bio section where you can add this 300 up to 300 characters of your server bot or your store robot. And the website, I already bought 99 ebook.co.uk website. I want to make another video about that in the coming days. I can put that here, my Instagram account. Here you can put your Instagram account for ebook, so you can directly promote and put the ebook Payhip link in Payhip store link in your Instagram bio and divert the traffic there, from there. Or you can use YouTube and Facebook and Twitter if you want. If you click the save setting, it will automatically save the setting. So if you refresh the page, I think we can see the logo here. I can rearrange the logo a little bit to fit in the circle. Leave that for now, then we'll go back here. Once that is done, and click payment detail. Again, you need to have a PayPal account, or you can have a Stripe account if you want. So once you click connect PayPal, it will take to your PayPal address. You have to put your email address and you log in into your PayPal account and link that with PayPal. It will take you less than 30 seconds to do it. That's it. And a billing invoice, it will click that. Again, you are using a free account, so don't worry about that. Taxes, again, the Payhip automatically calculate the taxes for EU customers, and if you have a registered tax rate and everything, you can add here. Otherwise, don't worry about that. Even though you are selling from other part of the different part of the world, don't worry about this section. And go to the shipping only you add if you are selling a physical product. For the digital program, you don't want that. And click advanced setting. We get a little more information. First, product your PDF file stamped by your email on the top of the left of each page of your PDF file, which means because once a buyer spend 99 cents and buy your ebook, and they can resell it or they use it as a bonus for their product. To avoid that, you can click this box. Automatically it will add your logo as a stamp on it. It doesn't matter, small stamp on the right or left corner of the PDF, it doesn't matter. Then you need to click this button, so the email notification will arrive when the buyers visit your Payhip account and book your ebook. And there is an inventory notification. If you are selling a physical product, you need to click this one too, because once the inventory finished, you need to make sure you have an item or not to sell. Download limit, which means a buyer bought the ebook, they have up to 5 download limit, which means if they lost it, they can send it back to their Payhip account and download the ebook again. So I don't go with 5, go with 3 is better. Google Analytics, yes, you can link your Google Analytics by adding new admin. Go to new admin, add a new website and put that ID here. Also, you can track traffic for your store from Google Analytics. Also, you can add a Facebook pixel. And if you come down this section called checkout setting, here you need to, if you want, you can click this one. It's direct the customer to particular web page when you successfully complete the checkout. If you click that, it will ask you to add a website. Then you can add your own personal website if you have one, or you can go to ClickBank and get the offer. But again, this is a permanent one. It's not specific for each product. So when the product, you can see a couple of products, but when the customer bought the product, it will redirect after the purchase, it will redirect to the website. So add one, so you can add your own website, or you can get the ClickBank offers and add it here if you want. And if you can select this one, collect customer first and the last time during the digital product checkout. If you want, you can do, I don't want to go with that, and display your own questions. If you click that, you can ask a question how you are satisfied with it or not, something like that. On the bottom of that, there's an email received where you can put subject like a thank you for your purchase and put your message, you know, come back, or you can give a coupon code, something like that, and click save setting. That section is finished now. And go to login setting. You don't want to worry about that. Now what you have to do, go to product here. Now I already have one product is available, so I want to show you to add another product, how simple and how easy that. I already told you about I download this ebook here from IDPLR, so I had to go to the document where to find it. This ebook always on a zip file, so you have to unzip the file before you upload it back into Payhip.com. Now there's a ebook, so right click that and click extract all. It will take a couple of seconds. It will extract the entire document from that. Now once you extract the file, it's gonna look like this. Click that and click this one, and you can see you can find this ebook inside this quiz page here. Sometimes it will available in the front page. If you don't worry, you can find it here. Find it on the report section here. There's your ebook here, and there's your front cover images. If you don't like these images, you can go back to Canva to design your own one if you want. Now go to payhip.com and click product section and add new product. This is the digital product here. Click this one and upload product. I'd already show the file where is the product going to be here, and click that product file and click the PDF file, and here put the title of the ebook, the price $20. Don't worry about that, we can change the later. I can show the way. Then click upload the product image. Again, you can find it back on the file with the squeeze page images, and they have the image, the original one. Pick that one. It's done. And description for this video, I don't want to keep it, so just type the description of the video. You can find it on the email report, under the report, or you can, there's a what they have now here. We go back here, and there's a Word document about PDF Word document for the exact ebook, so you can copy and paste the information from there. Now what you have to do, once the description done, click this section called advanced option here, and this product is an ebook. You have to click this one and make this product. No, it's not private. Upload a review on the customer. Yes, if you want, you can select that, but we don't want that. And limit number of time the product can be sold. Yes. Ebook, so 10,000, or you can limit it if you want, and automatically subscribe to the customer for the mailing. This is the important because you need to click the email address of every single customer, then you can target a specific affiliate program from ClickBank. So you have to click that one, and email list. I'm going to show you where you can add the email list. Here is automatically added for you. So this is, click that one and add product. That's it, guys, it's done. So you can see the preview of the product right here, right now. So you will click show my product page, and it's going to be look like this. Right, this is the my product page for this blogging. There's a title and the description are going to be here, and this is the price of the ebook here. Now there's one more setting I have to show you guys before we finalize. This is a section called marketing. Click that, it will take to this page where you can add lots of information. Now add a coupon code. This is where you can get a commission. Say for example, add coupon code and how much commission we want to give. Say for example, we want to give 90% commission, and you can apply coupon for all the product, yes, and put the 90% commission, and coupon never expired, and coupon code is, you can put anything you want. So I put 99 ebook. All right, so this is the one. So then you can give this coupon code for the customer in the mailing list or anywhere you're promoting that. So when the people click and put this coupon code, they can reduce from $20 to the lowest price. So click done. This is the first part. You can add coupon. If you want social discount, you can do that. Affiliate, yes, you can put this affiliate link and you can ask your friend and family members to promote it, and you can make money from it. Then there is an email list section. This is I'm talking about. So for example, if you disconnect this email address, there's a you can again set up a new email address, a mailing list, and these are all the companies that they can working with at the moment. If you have most of them are, all of them are paid versions, but MailChimp has a free version too. I already have the MailChimp account created using free version. I already have a 46 email list on that, so I can put the API key over there, and if I put the API key here, they're automatically connected for me, so I don't have to worry about that anything. So that's it. This is the section. There's a cross selling where you can promote your product for a customer. When they add item their card, you can like upsell, and you can do a referral, and there's upgrade version. We don't want to worry about that, guys. So if you see that, if I go back to here and refresh this page, my store page, as you can see, there's a 2 ebook already added here. So for example, if this is my ebook here, buy now, see the coupon code is working or not. add coupon, paste the coupon, add coupon. Let's see how much I'm gonna get. Yes, from $20 to $2 with the coupon code. This is the way that you get. This is a great marketing strategy that you can implement in order to get more sales. Now one more thing you have to do is, this part is done, you have to promote this in order to get sales. Then you can promote this from put this link on your Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, anywhere that we can. I will make a video tomorrow about that. This video is about a tutorial on Payhip and how you can make money selling pre-PLR ebook on Payhip. Thanks guys for watching, and the giveaway is, I will do the giveaway for June alone. If this video hit 100 likes, so what you have to do, you have to subscribe and click the like button and go to the comment section, write I like this video and put your PayPal address. If this video hit 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video, but it will only happen if this video, any of the video, get 100 likes in the June. So only for the June videos. You can see I publish a video every single day. Like I said, if the video had 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on next video guys. Thanks for watching and see you next one.